Nicholas playing hockey. Go! Get it again, buddy. Yay!
That one.
Nicholas, go get it again. Get it. Hit it, Nicholas. Daddy. Yay! Nicholas is 18 months old, and he is really hitting the puck. Good. Nicholas, get it again. One more time. Right here. Now you gotta chase him around. There's Daddy. Get it, Nicholas, right there. Hard. Yeah! Nicholas, one more. Come here, buddy. Nicholas, get the doggy. No more. Get it, Nicholas. Goal! Where did it go?
Did you see the picture out here?
I did. Nicholas, get it again. Yay! Well, oh good, you got the doggy. Good job. Yeah, oh, whoa. Did you say goal? Hey, Daddy, can you toss him another puck? What's that? Are you looking for your puck? It's under the curtain there.
Where?
It's under the curtain. Get it, Nicholas. Wait, he's crazy. Nicholas, hey, you little hockey player. Daddy's gonna give you the puck. There it is.
There's your soccer puck.
Get the soccer puck. Get it again. Yay! All right, one more. One more. Here you are, Nicholas. Nicholas, right behind you. He's going to score. He's too quick for me. Get it again. Goal, Nicholas. Score. You really want to play hockey, don't you? Okay, okay. Let's find another thing, okay? You ready? Get this. How about that? Hey, do another one? There goes this puck. Good boy. Score! Yay! Oh, get it! Get it again! Go get it! Go get it! Is it in there? All right, this is all for now. Do you want to hit it one more time? I think it's gone. Nicholas, hey, can you say good game? Wild man. Say good game. Good game. Good game. Can you blow a kiss? Oh no, hockey players don't blow kisses, do they?